This video will show you how to use Google Docs on a phone or tablet. First, you need to install Google Docs. Go to the App Store on iPhones or iPads, or Play Store on Android, or just search for Google Docs. Click Get or Install to install the app, and then open it. Next, press plus and New Document or New Docs file. You should choose a name for your document, for example, My Day. Click on the pen to start writing, and now you can write your document. You now need to share your document. Click on this person symbol to share. At the moment, it's restricted. Only people added can open this link. You need to click Change and then Anyone with the link. It now says anyone with the link can view the document, which means look at the document. If you want to let your teacher or someone else comment or edit the document, you need to change to commenter or editor. There are two ways to send this to someone. One, press the back button and type the email address of the person in here, then click the triangle to send. Or two, you could copy the link like this and put the link in an email like this. It's important to remember that you click editor or commenter if you want the other person to be able to edit or comment on your work.